For all my sales funnel geeks, for all my funnel and step-by-step geeks, today I'm going to share with you our sales funnel for a real estate investing business. Once we get leads, how many touches, what to do with it, so you can close these deals and make the max profit. My name is Raul Bulufe, and I help real estate investors and entrepreneurs start and scale the real estate investing business to 6 figures plus, all virtually, all online, all the time. So the problem at hand today that we're going to be talking about is, Raul, fine, I understand how to get leads. I'm a digital marketer. I know how to do direct mail. I know how to knock on doors. I'm not no pansy. I can do this. I know how to get leads. But now once I get sellers or people who are looking to sell, what do? What's the best sales funnel or sales process to get this thing to close, to get money in my pocket, man? I need to survive. I need to eat. Your boy needs to eat. So I'm going to share with you a good sales process that we use through literally tens of thousands of leads, messing up, losing money, doing it all wrong for a long time, fixing it, course correcting, and we've landed at something that yields us 10 plus deals per month in many markets with a pretty small team at 6-figure per month revenue. I don't say that to brag, I just say that in order so you can have context of how much time we've messed up and the rewards you get once you can figure it out. So here I'm gonna share with you, so hopefully it can save you a lot of time and you can crush it in your business. So when you don't know what your sales funnel is, this can be not a good thing, okay? I understand the feeling. It can be frustrating when you're like, I get the leads, but like, what do I do next? Do I call them? Do I text them? Do I send them an offer right away? Do I go with a contract? If I'm going online, if I do it over the phone, how do I do it? And this can stop you from taking action, which is no good. This can cause you to get into analysis paralysis and just research sales funnels and processes and talk to different wholesalers, but never really come up with the right one or use one of your own. And if you do this and you don't get deals and you don't start or you don't continue marketing, then you never get closer to your buy and hold goals, to your BRRR goals, your fix and flip goals, your wealth and your real estate, your business. And that is not what you are here for. You're meant to do well for greatness. So now let me share with you our 4-step sales funnel. And if you stick with me to the end, I'll give you one line that you can tell to sellers that will absolutely help you convert more deals, okay? Let's start with our 4-step sales funnel. Step 1, set up a specified appointment. What do I mean by that? So remember, we're talking about if we had to draw a line, this is no lead and this is closed deal. Right now, we're like here, okay? Because you did marketing, you said mail, whatever, now you got a lead. Now we're gonna go from lead to close. So all this before step of how to get this person, that's on another video. Right now we're talking about, okay, we got this lead. What are the next steps to close it? Set up a specified time appointment. We're doing phone appointments because we're doing it virtually. You can do it in person if you like. You can do it on Zoom. You can do a pigeon flying appointment. You can do webinar, whatever, I don't care. We've seen phone appointments as the most effective. Take that for what it is. So, but we set up a specified time. Hey, are you available tomorrow, 1 or 3 p.m.? Hey, what about Friday? Hey, set up an appointment. Hey, this is gonna be a 10 to 15 minute call to find out more info about your property and then make you a good offer. What time is good for you? 3 p.m.? Awesome. Set up an appointment. Make it serious. Make it something like, hey, I'm gonna call you and I'm gonna give you an offer. I'm gonna call you and I'm gonna give you my time. I want your answers. And then I'm gonna see if we can work together. You gotta make it serious. You can't just be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna call you back. And then you get them while they're like, pulling up to the grocery store and they only got 3 minutes and they're like, and then it just sucks, okay? So set up a specified appointment, that's step 1. So step 2 is once you get on the specified appointment, you gotta run through this as a sales call. So this is a part of the funnel that you actually do the sales call with an offer. This is very important, with an offer. Do a sales call with an offer. It's okay if you don't have the offer right then and there because you're a little confused, but the goal is specified appointment. Once you get on, run through our sales process. We use a 10-step sales process. You can get our script for free on robulufi.com. But once you do that, you're gonna have an offer for them. That's the point. That's what they want from you, and that's what you want from them. You want to know if your numbers work after you do the sales process. Step 3, get the contract signed, get the agreement signed right there on the phone on the first call, or set up another call. But step 3 is, okay, you got the lead, you set up the specified phone appointment. You did the sales process. You mentioned the price on step number 2. Step number 3 is, okay, great, Mr. Seller, the next step is I'm gonna send you an agreement over now. We're gonna review it together. You're gonna execute it like that. We can start title and we can get this thing to closing. Do you have any questions for me, Mr. Seller? Okay, great. Send it to them right there. Okay, give me a minute here while I write this together. Give me 5 minutes, however long it takes you. Give me 5 minutes to put this together and we'll review it over the phone. And then, put the phone here. If you're wearing a headset, just be like, oh, so Mr. Seller, this is crazy that you're selling your house, huh? What are you gonna do with the money? Wow, that's awesome. And while you're doing that, you're typing. You're writing up that agreement, okay? Keep them on the phone. They don't want to be hanging up with you and you calling them back. They don't want that. They want you to solve their problem. Step 4, if you don't get the agreement signed on step 3, or call, step 2 on the call, set up a phone signing appointment. Set up a phone signing appointment. Don't just say, okay, I'm gonna send you the agreement and when it's signed, let me know. No. Hey, I'm gonna send you the agreement and what time is good to review it together? 3 p.m., 5 p.m., 1 p.m., 11 a.m., whatever. That is a very important rule. And shout out to Steven Morales. I learned that from going to their boot camp, Steven and Raphael. And we implemented that and it's worked wonders, okay? We used to do the thing of like, hey, Mr. Okay, cool, you accept 80,000? Awesome, so I'll send you this agreement. And when can I have it back signed? Monday? Okay, cool. So I'll send it to you today and we'll talk again Monday. No. How often do you think we mess up a deal doing that? So set up another phone signing appointment, step 4. Now, here's this one line, because talking to sellers and getting them to sign agreements, even if you guys are a good fit for each other, even if they want to sell fast, they need you, you want to buy their house, you have the cash, or you want to wholesale it, you want to sign a contract. Even if you guys are a good fit for each other, a lot of times it's not easy to get them to sign an agreement. There's a lot of mistrust. There's a lot of things that get in the way, okay? So that is why it's important to be on the phone when they're signing it with you. You want them to feel comfortable, not like I send you an agreement, just click a couple buttons and that's it. You want them to feel like comfortable about it, okay? The way that we do that is we tell them, we use this one line. Hey, Mr. Seller, it's company policy for us to review the contracts together on the phone. Like that, I can answer any questions. You don't have to sign it on the spot if you don't feel comfortable. But I'd rather just answer all the questions for you and your husband or you and your wife. Like that, we can get everything out of the way. And if you're comfortable, great, we could sign it right there. If not, cool, no sweat. We could take back the offer, it's not a big deal. But I want to be on the phone with you to help you through this. I hope you guys caught that and wrote that down. If you didn't, rewind this, write that down. That line right there will save you a ton of time and a ton of money. It's actually gonna put the seller at ease that you're willing to be on the phone with them and listen to them and answer other questions right there. Guys, and also when you speak to the seller, tell them to smash that like button, hit subscribe. Like that, we can see each other again. You guys can get more tips and tricks when you're talking to sellers, talking to buyers, getting wholesale deals, growing a business, traveling and living while doing real estate investing. It's very possible. It's not easy at all. It's actually very tough. Very tough to really do it successfully and make a good net profit. But stick with me and I'll show you all the tips and tricks I can give you. And if you want more help, check me out, robbloof.com. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.